See this guy by the lake casually dunking his tripod into the water? Nope, he's not catching fish, but he makes dinosaur noises for a living. But before that, if this baby tiger has already won your heart, be sure to like and subscribe. This man is a professional sound designer, and his work is so good, Hollywood blockbusters like The Maze Runner, Doctor Strange, and Guardians of the Galaxy use his sound effects and designs. Now, listen closely. What does this sound like? And what about this?